Hey unicorns, just checking in. How are you doing today? I'm okay. I've had I don't know, a rough life. I figured it's been a while since we've done a little smoke sesh. Like, it's time, because I'm always. Had a rough day. And just trying to accept the fact of when you can't control things or things are beyond your control. It's a really hard thing to accept. Things you can't change yet, things that you're trying to be patient for, and just stress in general. It sucks. So this is just your reminder. I know we haven't done any positive affirmations or positive posts lately, and I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. And we'll try to get better on that, because I do want to put that out in the world instead of negative. But I also just want to remind you that when those negative days grab hold of you, do what you can to find the joy, okay? Whether it be this, maybe a little gardening, pun intended, or getting out in nature and doing the fun things you love to do. I haven't gone on a bike ride probably in a couple weeks. That makes me want to cry because I love it. E-bikes are so fun. You guys should get one if you don't already have one. Or if you're thinking about it, if you're on the edge, I highly recommend it. So I think today I'm going to get out in nature, take my dogs down to the river, try to go for a bike ride. There's some new solar lights down at the river trail here in Pueblo. So I think I'm going to go check those out and just see where the day takes me. Find some joy in the day and just try to get a positive reset, because I have been aggravated and bitchy as fuck. So it's time to change that. Let's flip it. All right, love you unicorns. You guys have a great rest of your day. Do something for the rest of us.